Okay. Dear students, today we will try to solve these two equations. First off, we will try to simplify, reduce it in the form of a simple linear equation. So, as you know in the last class, that we should put here let 1 upon root x equal to p and 1 upon root y equal to q. So this equation will be 2 upon root x means 2p plus 3q equal to 2, and next 4p minus 9q equal to minus 1. This is equation number first. This is equation number third and fourth. You can simplify this with the help of this, right? Means reduce this equation in simple linear equation by putting some another variable, right? But I am saying that we will solve it direct by this without any reduction. बिना किसी reduce को किसी other form में reduce किए हुए हम लोग इसको डायरेक्ट सॉल्व करेंगे, तो आपका ये रिविजन का काम बच जाएगा. अगर आप ऐसे करना चाहते हैं तब इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिएगा, कल हमने बताया था, फिर वैल्यू वापस कर देंगे हम लोग. Now today we will try to simplify this, right? So as we see here, coefficient of root y. In this question, coefficient of root y, it is 9, it is 3. So we want to equate this. To find the equate this, we have to multiply this by 3. When we multiply equation number 1 by 3, you will get 3 3 9, and that's why so the coefficient will be equal. इसमें अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो ये भी 9 हो जाएगा, ये भी 9 हो जाएगा, y का कोफिशिएंट रूट y का सेम हो जाएगा. So that's very easy. So multiply this by 3, we can get 6. We get 3 to the 6 upon root x plus 9 upon root y equal to 6. And in the second, it is already 9, so no need to multiply anything in this. We can write it as it is. Or one more thing you can see here. You can put in the place of, you can multiply it by 1 also. इसी से नहीं मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो बिना मल्टीप्लाई के चल जाएगा. कंफ्यूजन लग रहा है तो आप 1 शो कर दीजिए, हम 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे रहे हैं, राइट? नाउ as you know that these are equal, so and this is plus, this is minus, sign are different. जिसके कोफिशिएंट इक्वल हैं, जिसको कैंसिलेशन करना है, जिसको एलिमिनेट करना है, उसके साइन क्या है? सेम है, डिफरेंट है, प्लस एंड माइनस. सो वी विल ऐड. साइन डिफरेंट है तो क्या करते हैं हम लोग? ऐड करते हैं. इससे हमें कोई मतलब नहीं, इसके साइन से मतलब है. So this will be this cancelled by this 6 upon root x, 4 upon root y, add this 6 and 4 gets 10 upon root x. Since we know that 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 2, same denominator is same. So you can write here 3 plus 5 upon 2. In the same way, since denominator is same, right? So you have to only add the numerator. 6 plus 4 is 10, and here 6 minus 1 is 5. This can be written as 10 equal to 5 root x. This can be written as 10 upon 5 equal to root x, that is cancelled out, 2 equal to root x. Now how you can find the value of x? This is 2 is equal to value of root x, where value of root is x is 2. Now squaring both sides, we get square of 2 equal to root x square. It means 2 to the square of 2 is 4 equal to x. In this way we find that root x equal to 4. This is our solution. Value of x is getting here 4. Now value of y, how you can get value of y? See here, we have x equal to 4 and root x equal to 2. We can use any of this, either this or this. x equal to हमारे पास 4 है, root x equal to 2 है, तो दोनों में से हम कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं, either x यूज करें या root x यूज करें. क्या बेटर होगा? ऑलरेडी हमारे पास root x है तो root x यूज करना बेटर है. So we should use here put root x equal to 2. What? Root x equal to 2 because here are root x in equation first. What is equation first? 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. In this case, root x equal to 2. So this will be 2 upon 2. 2 upon the place of root x, we put here 2 plus 3 upon root y. We don't know y equal to 2. This will be cancelled out. And this is 1 plus 3 upon root y equal to 2. Right? Now we will simplify it only. 1 should be transferred here. So this becomes 3 upon root y equal to 2 minus 1. That is 1. 1 transferred there gets minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now this is 3 upon root y equal to 1. We can say 3 equal to root y into 1. That is 3 equal to 1. Now similarly like this is the value of root y. So squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Now 3 square is 9, root y square is y. In this way we find that x equal to 4, y equal to 9. Okay, 1 minute. X equal to 4, y equal to 9. Now let us see here another question. One upon 3x plus 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y. See, let us see this question. In this question, we see that 3x plus y here, 3x plus y here, 3x minus y here, 3x minus y here, right? You can also reduce it like this, putting 1 upon 3x plus y equal to b and 1 upon 3x minus y equal to q. You can also simplify this by putting this, and this will reduce in the simple form. Now, but as we do, we will never not reduce it in any other form. हम इसको किसी और फॉर्म में रिड्यूस नहीं करें, डायरेक्ट इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. तो फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इस पहले भी हम करते थे, आपको बता चुके हैं, हम लोग किए हैं कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर में कोई नंबर आता है तो उसको हम रिड्यूस, पहले उसको हम वहाँ से कैंसिल करने की ट्राई करेंगे, वहाँ से हटाने की कोशिश करेंगे, रिड्यूस करेंगे. सो दिस इज द नॉट नंबर, दिस इज द टर्म, दिस इज द कंप्लीट टर्म, नो चेंजिंग इन दिस. इसमें कोई चेंजिंग नहीं है, इसलिए 3 से हमको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट इस 2 से हमको प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? ये 2 पहले हम यहाँ से हटाएंगे, तब उसके बाद क्या कुछ करेंगे. तो फॉर दिस यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन सेकेंड बाई 2. multiply equation second by 2, then you will get 2 into 1 upon 2 in bracket 3x plus y minus 2 into 1 upon in bracket 2 into 3x minus y equal to 2 into minus 1 upon 8. क्या किया हमने? Each and every term में 2 से multiply कर दिया. So you will get here this to be cancelled, this to be cancelled, and this also 1 upon 4. Now the equation is 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4. This is equation number first. This is equation number first. Right? Now your equation number second is this. That is 1 upon 3x plus y minus 1 upon 3x minus y. You can write here like this. Equal to minus 1 upon 4. This is equation number second. See, equation number second is converted into this form. Right? Now, equation number first is this form and second is this form. As we see here, this is equal and this also equal. Right? Both are equal, so no need to multiply or divide any other number. That we can eliminate these or any of them. But in this case, this is plus, this is minus. हम क्या करेंगे? आप किसी से मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट हम इसको एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारा दोनों कोफिशिएंट दोनों इक्वल है. राइट? हम जिसको चाहे एलिमिनेट कर दें, बट हियर इट इज प्लस, इट इज माइनस, तो ये डायरेक्ट आपका एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. सो वी विल डू हियर एडिशन. पहले देखा था डिफरेंट साइन में क्या करेंगे हम लोग? एडिशन. दिस इज कैंसिल्ड आउट. राइट? नाउ 1 upon this we can write here 2 upon 3x plus y. And here if you add that 3 minus 1 gets 2. If you do not, you can write it like this also. इसको हम क्या कर सकते हैं? ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. डायरेक्ट आप ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, डायरेक्ट कर लीजिए. डिनोमिनेटर अगर सेम है तो कंफ्यूजन है तो आप इस तरह से इसको भी लिख सकते हैं, इसको भी लिख सकते हैं. नाउ दिस में भी that is 3 minus 1 upon 4, that is 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. 3 minus 1 upon 4, that is 2 upon 4, that is 1 upon 2. Now finally what it is? 2 upon 3x plus y equal to 1 upon 2. By cross multiplication we can get here. By cross multiplication we can get here 2 into 2. 2 into 2 equal to 1 into 3x plus y. This becomes 4 equal to 3x plus y. If you write it this is the right side, you will get 3x plus y equal to 4. This is equation number third. This is not a solution. हमको क्या मिला? x y में अदर लीनियर इक्वेशन दिया. This is 2 2 या 4 3x plus y. हमने इसको राइट साइड में लिख दिया जैसा कि हम इन जनरल लीनियर इक्वेशन लिखते हैं. तो दिस बिकम 3x plus y इक्वल टू 4. एक नया लीनियर इक्वेशन हम पा गए. राइट? नाउ 1 minute. Now by putting this value in any of the equation first or second, put this value in any of the equation first or second. Now put, we'll do here, put value of equation third in इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. किसमें पुट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? फर्स्ट में. किसकी? वैल्यू ऑफ थर्ड की. वैल्यू ऑफ थर्ड क्या है? 3x plus y इक्वल टू 4. इसको किसमें पुट करेंगे हम? इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में. 3x plus y के प्लेस पे हमको क्या यूज करना है? दैट इज 4. तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4, isn't it? This becomes 4 and this as it is and this as it is. 1 upon 4 should be transferred there. This will becomes 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 3 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Now you simplify this like this. You can get here. This is 3 minus 1 upon 4. This is 2 upon. This is 2 upon 4. Right? So we can write here 1 upon 3x minus y equal to 2 upon 4. That can be cancelled and gets 1 upon 2. Right? Upon 2 and this is in this way we find that when you get cross multiplication like this, यहाँ इसकी तरह से अगर हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे क्या मिल जाएगा आपको? विल गेट हियर 1 into 2 equal to 1 into 3x minus y. 2 का मल्टीप्लाई इधर, इसका इधर, so it is 2 multiplied by 1 and 3x minus y multiplied by 1. This becomes 2 equal to 3x minus 1. Now write it in the left side. 3x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 4. Right? Why I am saying that? Why we don't get value? We don't have only x or only y here, and this is an equation in the form x into y, x and y. Right? अगर हमको सिर्फ x इक्वल टू मिलता, सिर्फ y इक्वल टू मिलता तो हमको वैल्यू मिल जाती, बट हमको क्या मिल गया है? x y में एक्सप्रेशन मिल गया है, दैट इज एक लीनियर इक्वेशन मिल गया है, इसमें भी और इसमें भी. सो वी हैव ए न्यू लीनियर इक्वेशन लाइक 3x plus y and 3x minus y equal to 4. Now simplify these two. Again, from equation third and fourth we get what we get? Third is 3x plus y equal to 4 and fourth is 3x minus y equal to 2. Now you can see here direct y cancelled by y. This is 6x equal to 6, x equal to 3, 3, 6, 4, 2, 6. X equal to 6 upon 6 gets 1. It means x equal to 1. Now this way we find the value of x. Now again put the value of x in equation third or for the any of the equation in this. Right? But we will put in a simple equation which is the simplest form. Now when you put it in the simplest form, so put value of x in equation third. Third is I think is simplest form. थर्ड को क्यों हमने चॉइस किया, फोर्थ को क्यों नहीं चॉइस किया? राइट? थर्ड में क्या है? माइनस नहीं है, फोर्थ में क्या है? माइनस है. माइनस विल गिव यू प्रॉब्लम, लिटिल प्रॉब्लम. So always try to use this type of equation that have no minus, right? So when you put the value of x in this is 3 into 1 plus y equal to 4. This is 3 plus y equal to 4. This is y equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. Y equal to 1, right? So in this way we find that answer is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. This is the final answer for this question. Okay, now try this homework. Now try to simplify this 1, 2, 3 questions at home. If you get problem, you can contact. Thank you.